fly without a controller. Let's see it out. How it works, which drones support it, and the safety rules. First thing we everyone have, okay. Main doubt we have is the drone is not flying on its own. Okay, when you use these modes, okay, it's using a subject tracking AI feature. I will explain this first, okay, and it's used introducing flight modes like quick shots. I will explain those quick shots also later on. So continue watching. Don't leave by. You will get a high photo. Okay. Quick shots mean like it's hassle-free modes that you can select when you are on the go. When you are need a shot, okay, urgently. Okay, those are the instances where you use quick shots. Okay, yes, quick shots are compatible with DJI drones, and for you to use the quick shots, you need a DJI drone and a DJI Fly app. Already, if you have a DJI drone, you have a DJI Fly app and a good GPS lock, and you need a sufficient battery and a safe open area without unobstructed things. Okay, and let's see the quick shots demo. Use things. Are the safety tips that you need to know before activating these quick shots. And open area only you need to fly, and you have to wait for a strong GPS signal, a white color GPS indicator, and you have to watch out for trees, power lines, and people. Mind that any DJI normal drones detect any power lines or like small tree branches. Agriculture drones detect them, but you can't do quick shots on there. And you have to check battery also before starting the quick shots. And if you if you have only a little much of battery, don't forget to insert a new battery. And let's talk about the common mistakes when you do a quick shots. Okay, the first mistake is starting close to obstacles. Okay, and you don't have any connection between your drone. You are one and only trust is between luck. Okay, there is no luck, your drone will crash. Okay, you have to, fly without any obstacles when you're doing quick shots. Okay, and you have you don't need to fly in poor GPS conditions. If not, you will lose your drone. Don't try. That is why I am telling. The third mistake is ignoring the wind. Okay, don't ignore the wind. Okay, wind can change everything in a small time. Okay, wind can quickly drain the battery, and it will fight against your drone tracking ability and wind resistance ability. That is quick one-to-one thing. Let's go to the fourth mistake: using low battery. When you are using quick shots, if the battery is low, the drone will land wherever you go. You go in your own walking anything, the drone will land suddenly. Okay, even without telling for you. Okay, then you're fine for your drone, then you can't access the drone because of you don't know where is the drone went. Okay, it's landed because of low battery. Don't do that mistake also. And don't use quick shots when you are low battery. And thank you for watching the video. Wait, I will have more things like that. Yes, let's talk about final thing. Okay, is it worth using? Okay, these modes are best for beginners. Okay, great for cinematic videos and vlogs, travelers, or like that. It saves time a lot. Okay, even for me. Still learn manual flying. Okay, don't rely so much on these quick shots and like that. Okay, and don't rely on automation alone also. These are quick shots mean automation completely. Okay, those are algorithms train drone to fly in that automation. Okay, which quick shot is your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, it's a drone lab. And I will see you in the next one. These are the videos recommended for you. Don't forget to watch those videos also, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.